Now in B, the A set is belongs to positive integer less than 4. The element of less than equal to 4, the element of A will be 1, 2, 3, 4. The element of B will be between 0 and 5. So these elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. And the element of C is 1, 2, 3. First we will find the associative property of union. As we noted, associative property of union is, first we will find left hand side. Left hand side is A union B union C. B union C we will find first. B is 1, 2, 3, 4 union with the C. C is 1, 2, 3. So the union of both sets will be 1, 2, 3, 4. After that we will find the union with A. A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and then union with the B union C will be 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the answer of left hand side. Now we will do the right hand side. Right hand side is equal to the A union B union C. First we will find A union B. A set, B set, we have to find union. Union will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will find union with the C. Union of A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4 with union C. The answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer of the right hand side is 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer of left hand side is 1, 2, 3, 4. Hence both sides are equal. So we have proved the associative property of union. Moving towards the second case, that is the associative property of intersection. Same property we will use. This is the associative property of intersection. Again we will solve left hand side, then right hand side. Left hand side equal to A intersection B intersection C. Then we will solve the bracket term first. Bracket term is B intersection C. B is 1, 2, 3, 4. C is 1, 2, 3. The intersection of both sets will be 1, 2, 3. This is the intersection of B and C. Now we will find the again intersection with A set. The intersection of A with B intersection C is 1, 2, 3 because A set is 1, 2, 3, 4 and B intersection C set is 1, 2, 3. After that, this is our answer of left hand side. After that we will find the right hand side. Right hand side is A intersection B intersection C. First we will solve A intersection B. A set is 1, 2, 3, 4 and B set is 1, 2, 3, 4. The intersection will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will find intersection with the C. C set is 1, 2, 3 and we will get our answer 1, 2, 3. There you can see left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence we have proved. Next we will do distributive property of union over intersection. Now we have to find the distributive property of union over intersection. The set given here are A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B is 2, 4, 6, 8 and C is 4, 8, 10, 12. This is the distributive property of union over intersection. First we will solve this property for question A, then we will again solve this property for question B. Here the property is A union B intersection C equal to A union B intersection A union C. First we will solve left hand side. Left hand side is A union B intersection C. B set is 2, 4, 6, 8 intersection with the C 4, 8, 10, 12. We will get answer B intersection is 4 and 8 because here we have to find the bracket term first. Then we will find bracket term union with A. A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then union with the B intersection C, that is 4 and 8. The union of both sets will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 8. This is our left hand side. Now we will find the right hand side. Right hand side is equal to A union B intersection A union C. A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Union with the B A 2, 4, 6, 8. We will find union. Union is the arrangement of both sets in order. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. In right hand side, then we will find A union C because we give preference to the bracket terms first. So A union C, the answer of A union C will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10 and 12. This is our answer of A union C. Now we will find the intersection between A union B and A union C. A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and A union C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10, 12. The intersection of both sets will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 8. This is our right hand side. So we can see that this is left hand side and this is right hand side. The answer of both sides are same. Answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Hence left hand side equal to right hand side. Similarly in B case, we have given different sets and we have to find again same property for different sets. A set is 1, 2, 3, 4. B set is 1, 2, 3, 4 and C set is 1, 2, 3, and we have to find again distributive property of union our intersection. Using same property again we will find, again we will take left hand side, that is A union B intersection C. First we will find B intersection C. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, C is 1, 2, 3. Then intersection of both sets will be 1, 2, 3. Then we will find B intersection C union with A. A set is 1, 2, 3, 4 union B intersection C. Answer is 1, 2, 3. We will put this term here and we will find union. Union is the arrangement of both sets. So the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our left hand side. Coming towards right hand side equal to A union B intersection A union C. First we will solve A union B. The answer of A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will find A union C and the answer of A union C is 1, 2, 3, 4. After finding the A union B and A union C, we will find the intersection of both sets. The intersection of both sets are 1, 2, 3, 4 because both sets are same and common elements are all elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the answer of our right hand side. Hence left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence we have proved. Our third type was distributive property of intersection our union. So this is the property of distributive in intersection our union. So this is the property we called distributive property of intersection our union. A intersection B union C equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Again there are two sides. First we will find left hand side, then right hand side. The answer of both sides should be same. Left hand side is A intersection B union C. B union C, B is 2, 4, 6, 8. Union C, that is 4, 8, 10, 12. The union of both sets will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Then we will find with A. Then we will find intersection with A set. A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will find the A intersection B union C. The answer will be 2, 4 because 2 and 4 are the only element that are present in both elements. These are the common elements, so our answer is 2 and 4. That is our left hand side. After left hand side we will move to right hand side. Right hand side is A intersection B union A intersection C. Here again we give preference to bracket terms. First we will solve A intersection B, then A intersection C, then we will find the union. A intersection B, A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Intersection with the B, B is 2, 4, 6, 8. The intersection of both sets will be 1, 2 and 4 because 2 and 4 are the common elements. After this we will find the A intersection C. A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Intersection with the C is 4, 8, 10, 12. We will get our answer, 4 our answer. Then we will find the union of both terms. First A intersection B, as we have found 2 and 4. A intersection we have found 4. So we will find the union. We will find the union of these two terms, 2 and 4 and 4. So the union here we will get 2 and 4. So this is our right hand side. See here the answer of the left hand side is 2 and 4. The answer of right hand side is 2 and 4. Hence we have proved left hand side and right hand side. Hence this is proved. Again we will solve this distributive property of intersection our union in different set, that is our part B. This is part B question. A set equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B set equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. And C set equal to 1, 2, 3. And we have to find the distributive property of intersection our union. Here A intersection B union C equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. So there are two sides. One is the left hand side and another is the right hand side. And both sides should be equal. First we will find left hand side, that is A intersection B union C. We will find B union C first. The answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4. After that we will find the A intersection with B union C. A set is 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection with the B union C will be 1, 2, 3, 4 because all elements are common in both sets. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are our answer. this is our first left hand side, then we will move towards right hand side. Here A intersection B union A intersection C, we will find this, but we will again, as I have already discussed, that we will give preference to the bracket terms. First we will find A intersection B, then we will find A intersection C. A intersection B is 1 2 3 4 and A intersection C is 1 2 3. We will find the union, and union of both sets will be 1 2 3 4. Here this is right hand side, and the answer of the right hand side is 1 2 3 4, and the answer of the left hand side is 1 2 3 4. Both answers are same, hence we have proved left hand side and right hand side. So this was the answer of the distributive property of intersection our union. So with this we have completed our exercise 1.2, and in the next class we will move towards exercise 1.3 and the related concept to that exercise. So practice these questions and write this work in your exercise copy, because I will send these pages, and inshallah we will meet in the next class. Allah Hafiz.